Tron Lightcycle Run operates differently than any other Walt Disney World roller coaster. On this Lightcycle race, you have to put objects in lockers first. Don't be nervous, your bag stays with you for 95% of the line, and your phone gets to go all the way to the ride vehicle. Grab a free, yes free, locker with your park ticket or magic band. Cast members also have locker cards if you need them. Take a look at your number, you're going to want to know what it is when you get off, but you will grab your items from the other side of the lockers, so don't get nervous when you aren't in the same room. After this, continue towards the ride. Yes, you can take your phone with you. You will end up storing it in the actual ride vehicle itself. You may also take chest-mounted GoPros, but Disney will already be taking slow-mo video and photos of your launch, and of course, we here at Attractions Magazine already have a great POV for you to watch. Enjoy the launch, the speed, the views, and the grid. When you get off, head to your locker number to retrieve your items. Oops, did you forget the locker number? No problem. The exit has scanners to look up your locker number to remind you. That's it. Now, go have fun in the grid and at all of the Magic Kingdom.